Look at the serviceability of this all-new Quadtrac 715 model. First of all, notice all the screening, the package is engine and is enclosed, but yet we made the dipstick for the oil to check the oil, to pull out very easily, to go back. And by the way, this tractor still will go to 600 hours before the first oil change. Now take a look at this, an all-new power lift hood. Look how easy it goes up right now. At the push of a button, this hood will go up higher than the current hood of a Quadtrac to give you more easy accessibility to the engine compartment. An all-new cooling package underneath the hood to give that efficiency. And then look at the engine back here. The new 16-liter has new serviceability points, the CVC filter, a new engine oil filter that's easy access as well. And again, those 600-hour oil changes. So maybe once a year you have to change oil on these new Quadtrac 715 models. So you put the horsepower, the efficiency, the serviceability, and look up here, 2 brand new air cleaners to handle the intake air, easy service with a pop-out panel on the side, 2 big radial air filters, again, to give you a long service life, working those fields day in, day night, without having a shutdown situation where you go and get more work done in that day. Also remember, on our Steiger tractors, we were one of the first and still maintain ground level serviceability. You have a right-hand step here plus a right-hand service door, so easy access up to the cab to clean out the cab, as well as get into that cab and put all your electronics, your monitors, easy access, fast to do it. As you come back down off the ladder on the tractor, let's talk about the ground level serviceability. We open this easy access door right here, and in behind this door is you have your DEF tank. You also have a new fuse panel, fuse blocks here, circuit breakers, and your filters. Ground level service to change your hydraulic filters, to check your hydraulic pressure. And by the way, we're using a smaller DEF tank. We don't have to go to a larger DEF tank because we use less DEF and we burn less fuel with this big new tractor to give you the power and efficiency. Also, when we talk about ground level service, you can just put this door right back and shut it like this, pin it tight as we go back to the field, and you're all ready to go.